What's up guys, Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Dope unboxing for you for all my Jordan brand fans. So this one was originally brought to us in 2001, but we have the 2019 rendition of the Air Jordan 11 Low Snakeskin in the navy blue snakeskin color. We've seen the pink a few years ago, but we right back to navy. So say less of all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Here we have the Jordan 11 box top, and as you guys can see right off the bat, the chrome Jumpman right there in the middle. And the box is made to look like snakeskin, much like the shoe, but this is a black on black snakeskin throughout this entire box, as you can see. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I think these are pretty cool. But we have the Air Jordan 11 Low snakeskin. So pretty much the similar detailing as most other 11 lows that you might see. So we have the fully white upper throughout this upper here. We have the hits right here of, I believe this is like a canvas in the lace area, the white laces there. We have the classic Jordan 11 logo in the middle. The top of the tongue is just a solid white leather. And then we have the quality for basketball verbiage right there behind the tongue. And as we go to the back tab, we have the 23 there, and just under the 23 features the Jumpman. And the coolest detail of the shoe, which is what stands out to everybody, is of course the snakeskin right there, the fully blue snakeskin. It's kind of like a navy blue, but a little bit closer to royal, but like a lighter navy, so to speak. We have the white midsole, classic to Jordan 11 styles. We have the translucent ice blue outsole with the navy hit here in the toe and the navy hit here in the heel. And of course the white Jumpman logo right there in the middle. And I believe the insert features the Jumpman logo. So as I mentioned to you guys earlier in the opening of the video, these were originally released in 2001. But of course this is the 2019 version that we have here at Stadium. And as you can see to my immediate right, we have the pink Snakeskin 11 Low. This one was only released in youth sizes back in, I want to say 2013. Correct me if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But I'll give you guys one last look at the Air Jordan 11 Low Snakeskin in the blue colorway. And we have both of these available right here at Stadium Goods. And we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. That's at Stadium Goods. And thank you guys once again for liking and sharing all of our videos, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, and IGTV. We appreciate you guys. Keep those reposts coming. And last but not least, if you guys have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods or anything sneakers, Supreme, Palace, whatever it may be, please visit stadiumgoods.com. That's stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salute.